how to find your watch history on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you guys can find your watch history on TikTok. So firstly, open up TikTok on your phone, click on your profile from the bottom right. After that, from over here, simply click on the top right on the three lines that you see, and then once you click there, simply click on settings and privacy, and then simply scroll down, and then from over here look for the option which is called privacy. So it's going to be at the very top. After that, click on it, and then from over here under personalization and data, click on download your data. So once you click on that, that is going to take you over to this page. So once you come onto this page, now from over here simply click on request data. So once you click on request data, TikTok's team is going to gather all your data, and then you will be able to download this on your phone by simply coming onto this page once again after a few days, and then you will see a download option. Now when you see that download option, you will be able to download a zip file which is going to contain several .txt files. You simply open up the one that is named video browsing history.txt, and that list contains the data, time, and a link to every video. So you guys can just simply copy and paste the link from that particular document in your browser to watch that particular video. So guys, this was the video. If you guys like the video, make sure to comment down below and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care till next time. Goodbye.